BSLK stock analysis price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this quick and short 1-minute video. Here's the thing. With both projects, I'm looking to take it further higher, you know, buy. That's how it was looking like from beforehand. But because it came down quite harsh and then never gave me the rules that I wanted to see, now we're sitting here. Especially with BSLK, bro, like, it feels like I missed everything, but technically it's still in a bullish market, and the only thing that I'm looking to buy now, if I start seeing the price break above 1023 and onwards, and if I do not see that happening, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to buy. Right, crudo, right? Like, if there is no confirmation, not buying, and all I'm doing is waiting for rules. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. That's free. And with BSLK, you also get a few receipts in the Discord as well. So that's that. Goodbye and enjoy.